Good day po. Ito po yung 2 heads Shanggong machine ng SM CDO. Madalas po itong magamit. May 49 pieces output last week. Ito po yung screen monitor at needle bars. Maayos po itong magtahi. Ito naman po yung bobbin rewinder, AVR, tools, frames, used threads and unused thread, at pilon. Ito naman po yung maintenance checklist and inventory reports. Sa file management, ang storage capacity ng saving files namin ay 781. Nakapag-delete naman po ako ng wala po last week. Yun lang po. Thank you.